feelings?
Because too much.
It's a crack. It's
This is door now.
yeah, it's already crack because this sun is coming in front. That's why. How many? This is before also you make feeling.
No, before somebody make feeling, but he did not make nice.
Ah, that's why you see, oh, it's already coming out easily because of too much sun and it reflects from here. So after fillings, then you make paint,
After
oil
fillings,
paint.
you have to clean by Regmal.
Eh? After fillings, then you clean again.
Yeah,
Become dry.
Regmal, no Regmal.
Ah,
You have to clean.
ah. And then,
Then after that, you start paint.
Here also there you make paint hair.
Yeah.
All hair.
There is lacking no.
I think it's not necessary na there to make paint.
It's okay, no? It's okay.
Yeah, yeah. It's okay. And how about the ceiling up? You make paint or no? Hair.
Using that natural color, no?
Ah, yeah, because this natural wood. Na, so no need to make paint this one. Ayan. After 2 days, there is Eid. That's why everyone is busy. But not all we make paint because it's already paint before. So no need to make paint. Like here. This one, it's okay. Do also paint. You're better than painter.
You know how much he's asking that boy, Gabi friend, he bring? 45,000 wallahi no dad.
Really?
Obviously,
And he can make also this one, fillings?
of course they have to make, but 45,000 rupees paint and 45,000 rupees he's asking.
Pala, for only for
7 door,
7 doors.
one kitchen,
Like this, 7 doors and
one kitchen,
1 kitchen for us.
and then 2 veranda.
This one, like this veranda for us.
Yeah.
Ah, because before 1 week, somebody come here to make paint, but he's asking very, very expensive. So that's why you refuse. Only for paint is how much?
45,000 rupees.
45,000 rupees. 7 doors.
7 doors, 2 veranda, and 1 kitchen.
Only kitchen is, our kitchen is small, no?
Yeah.
So you can do also.
Of course.
So you save 40,000. So inshallah, after filling this one and after paint, then there is it's look more new. But by this time you cannot see
This is
still.
makeup. No? This is makeup.
Makeup. This one also there you make hair. Oh, this one door hair.
Yeah, no, that door is okay. No,
This one we make stuck wood hair because we don't, because this one that one extension room before, this wood we keep there. So that's why we keep hair. This one also door. I think make also hair. Ayan. And the rest, naman, no need to make pinturahan na kasi ayos naman eh. Ito yung nilinis ni Fatma na room sa loob. After fillings, then we clean by this one. What you call this, that?
Regmal.
Huh?
Regmal.
This one. This one we are using before that when we were small. We are using this one for wash container na, even this for this black container like casserole. This one we are using now. We call this in our language liha, this one. Yeah, because when we are cooking, there is no more to put in something in casserole. That's why all black. So this one we are using. Then it will become white again, our casserole or caldero. We call that caldero. Then we use this one. Then after we use this one,
After that, then we draw
huh?
with the dry cloth.
Huh?
Then we start paint.
Dry cloth, not wet.
No.
And so must be dry. After clean this one, then we put mix paint now. This one no more fillings, no, that this one has. Huh?
This is design.
Huh? So can be paint this one now when you make paint already?
No, you make paint, then you can see.
Ah, even no more like this, no more filling,
no
eh?
more.
Asa. Ayan, oh. Only this one you make paint, eh? Door.
Huh? What is lacking here?
Same kitchen, 2 doors, eh? Now start now to make paint after filling, after applying these fillings, and after cleaning like this Scotch Brite. Now it's time to make a paint. First coating. Now it's easily to become dry immediately because of weather today. It's a sunny day. Oh, maano yung araw. It's still 9 o'clock but it's yung yung sikat ng araw ay masakit pag tumama sa sa katawan, sa ulo. No, too much hot by this time, no? But it's okay. Eh?
Yesterday you told me I feel
Oh,
cold.
for yesterday it's too much cold yesterday. It's like winter. But now again change again weather. But it's okay. If you stay inside then it's more cold. But outside, if you stay along the sun, it's hot. Ah, yan si Langga, oh. Yung duty ni Langga, palakad-lakad. Supervisor, ayan, magkalat. I don't like this smell for pen, but kero. Now nice now to see, no, Darna?
Still no.
Mashallah, yeah, because still first coating, no? How many coating this one? First, second, third?
This is first.
Yeah, no, but how many?
Until become okay. No.
Now you start now to paint this door. How many doors do you have to make paint? 7 doors? 7 doors. Ayan. This is first door and first coating. Now it's look now better than before because it's not good to see because some already removed the cement by crack like this, as you can see, like this. Now it's okay. Now complete 1 door, single coat, front and back. Mashallah, very nice. White. Shining. Now next, this doors, 2 doors in kitchen. This is back first and then front. First coating. Ito yung door ng washroom. Ayan. The same din front at saka back. So ayan. Dito tayo sa ayan. Ayan. Front at saka back. Ayan. Sinira nila nga itong ano, itong lock. Kaya ito na lang yung gamit. Kasi, ano, labas-pasok silang nga. Kaya, ayan, nasira. So, punta tayo dito sa ano. Tawag dito. Sa ano, pinaka main room o kaya main door. Yan. Ganon din doon sa loob. Yan yung ano. One door. And then second. And then ito yung third na door sa labas. Ayan. The same din sa ano sa loob niyan. Ito naman door ng kusina. Ito yung back. At saka ito naman yung ano yung front. Ayan. And then ito naman yung isang door dito sa kusina. Ayan. Back ito. Ayan. And then ano, ito yung front. Ayan. So there are 7 doors dito sa ano sa bahay. Tapos meron isa dito. Dito na door. Ayan. Ayan. So 7 doors lahat.